Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In today's weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Ripple, and AirSwap. Starting with Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. With US regulators intensifying the crackdown on crypto, the market is feeling the heat. Bitcoin yesterday broke below the $27,000 level but recovered shortly after. Looking at the daily chart of Bitcoin on CoinSwitch Pro, we can see some weakness in the price of Bitcoin as it is struggling to break above the 24,80,000 rupee level. At present, Bitcoin is trading sideways in a range between 24,80,000 rupees and 23,80,000 rupees. We can see the relative strength index, RSI, is cooling down, going below the oversold territory. Also ADX, the momentum strength indicator, is rising higher on a falling market, indicating the bears are slowly gaining strength and will try to pull the market lower. On the hourly chart, Bitcoin is trading below the 100 hourly simple moving average, thus forming a bearish trend line. If Bitcoin fails to revisit the 24,80,000 rupee level in the short term, we may see bears strengthening their grip on the market. After 23,80,000 rupees, the next major support level is at 20,90,000 rupees. Now moving to XRP. XRP is witnessing some positive price action, gaining around 26% in the last 7 days on the back of increased optimism surrounding the SEC versus Ripple case. In the last week, XRP gained pace above 36 rupees and 40 rupee resistance levels, showcasing a strong upside trend. On the 4-hourly chart, XRP is trading above the 100 simple moving average and has outperformed Bitcoin by a big margin during the period. If XRP successfully closes above 43 rupees in today's session, we may see XRP reaching above the 45 rupee level. Also, we can see XRP has formed the rising channel formation on the 4-hourly chart and is most likely to continue moving higher in that formation. A break below the lower trend line will be negative for XRP and may bring back sellers into the counter. RSI is also moving higher, forming higher high pattern, which is a bullish sign. Moving to the final coin in this weekly price analysis, AST. AirSwap, the zero-fee decentralized exchange, is witnessing some positive price movement. In the last few sessions, AST is rising higher with heavy trading volume, and in yesterday's session, it has broken above the resistive 10 rupee level. AST started moving higher after testing for support at the 50 EMA slope. It's more likely that AST will consolidate around the zone, testing for support at the 11 rupee level before moving higher. As the price of AST moves higher, ADX is moving higher, which indicates that the uptrend is likely to continue in the short term. RSI has spiked higher and is in the oversold territory. That's all in today's weekly price analysis. As always, do your own research before initiating any trade or investment.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.